Hello there, my crafty friends. It's Ashley Pfeiffer, the maker behind Stamped AF. I am an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Canada. And this week, for 7 straight days, I am going to share masculine projects. So instead of just choosing one product this week, I'm going with a theme and it's going to be masculine. And here is my first project. Doesn't look like much, but stay with me and I'll turn this into something masculine and fabulous. So let's get our craft on. I'm going to start with some tone-on-tone stamping. I'm using the Vintage Tools stamp set, which I will show you shortly because I realized that I didn't. So I'm using Early Espresso, Soft Suede, Sahara Sand, Grey Granite, and Basic Grey. I'm not sure why I didn't think to include Crumb Cake, but I didn't. These strips are all 3/4 of an inch by 5.5 inches, and all of it will be trimmed down when I put it on the 4 by 5.25 inch mat. This technique does work well with smaller stamps, but I was working with what I had. Now here I decided I don't want the hammer to be one color, so I'm using smoky slate for the top and soft suede for the wooden handle. But after 2 tries, you can see that the soft suede is a little bit darker at the top there. After 2 tries, I realized the smoky slate just isn't dark enough, so I'm going to use basic gray and soft suede. You can see how easy it was though to line that up. Going to very quickly fussy cut this. This set is a standalone stamp set. There are no coordinating dies. I've got my stamp from the He's the Man stamp set. Stamp that in Early Espresso. I'm going to die cut it using one of the coordinating dies, and now I will just adhere all of those pieces to my very vanilla mat. So now I'm just going to pop up my sentiment. I add a little bit of Stampin' Dimensionals to the hammer as well, just by cutting a little strip off of the end. I'm adhering this to my very vanilla thick card base, and I decide there's so much weight on the front that I really want some weight on the inside. I've got that Father's Day stamp from the He's the Man stamp set, some of the screws or nails from the Vintage Tools. We'll adhere it to a Sahara Sand mat, insert that into the card base, and voila, we're done. If this was your first time here, I thank you so much for joining me. Please consider hitting that subscribe button and you'll catch a new video each and every week. See you soon, my crafty friends. Bye.